Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm comparing these Parkside ratcheting spanners with a US Pro set. So take a look at the Parkside. I've featured these before when we compared them to another brand. Now they're like a satin finish, got Parkside SUK written on that side, and obviously the size and a direction arrow there, just Parkside, and that doesn't say what they're made of. I'm assuming chrome vanadium, I don't know. And has a ratcheting end that you can flip and switch. Very nice. They weren't expensive. I think these were these $6.99 or $7.99? I can't remember. They weren't very expensive. These have an offset head as well, probably about 15 degrees. But the downside is you only get 5 in the set. So 8, 10, 13, 14 and 17. So I would love these to do a full set. Because they don't at the moment, I thought I would get these. So these are the US Pro 12-piece metric gear ratchet combination wrench. And as you can see there, 72 teeth, chrome vanadium, and there's your sizes. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there's no skips in this one. Got all the sizes. This box actually smells very strange. It smells like it's got some kind of medicinal something spilt on it. So it comes in a foam tray, which is nice as well. And there we go. What a nice set. So let's have a look. So we've got a 14 Parkside and a 14 US Pro. So let's compare them. They are a little bit different in size. The US Pro is slightly longer. These don't have an offset head, they're just straight. And they don't have a switch. So you have to flip it over to change direction. Which I would prefer a switch, but I don't really know which is more reliable. Probably the fewer moving parts the better, so I'm going to say without a switch is more reliable. But these are great because if you do get yourself stuck in a position and you need to go the other way, you can just flip it and get back off. Say you've pulled a nut out too far and it's jammed it against something. With this you can't. You're only going one way unless you take it off and flip it. Weight wise, US Pro does feel a little bit lighter. It's probably about the same thickness, I'd say. Not much in it. Like I said, one's slightly longer. These are a shiny finish. Chrome vanadium on that side. US Pro engraved on that side. And then obviously the size as well. But it's actually a pretty nice set. And like I said, there's no skips in it. So I think it's a good idea to have both. Why not? They weren't very expensive. These were £30 delivered, which isn't too bad, I don't think, for the set. They fit really nice in the foam. Whether you'd keep them in the foam, I don't know, because foam does take up a lot of room in a toolbox. Maybe cut that corner off, make it a little bit smaller. Check out the 19. 72 teeth. Again, just chrome vanadium, US Pro. They seem to be okay made. I mean, it's a ratchet spanner, isn't it? Ratchet wrench. How much better can you get, really? You know, if it had a different name on it, you wouldn't know. Apparently, US Pro, Tool Zone, DSD, I think, they're all made in the same factory, and they're just branded different. So they're sort of low cost tools. They feel all right. They look okay. They probably hold up okay. I've had US Pro stuff before. It holds up really well. Just a standard spanner, that end. So nothing unusual, nothing like the gear wrench ones that have a different end on them. See, these are, let's get an 11. So this is a gear wrench, reversible. They do have the switch, and again they have a slightly offset head. Pretty much the same, not a lot in it between them. I think the US Pro is slightly wider, but that's about it. But yeah, quality wise, don't really feel much different. But obviously the gear wrench ones are more expensive. I think this one was, I paid £2.50 for this one, so it wasn't too expensive actually, but yeah, I don't know. Depends what you're using them for. If it's your livelihood, then you'd probably go for a more expensive set. If it's just tinkering with your car, then these will be perfectly fine. And it is good that you've got a full set with no skips and a foam tray. So is it worth £30? Yeah, I'd say it's worth £30. It'd be really nice if Parkside did a full set. Just noticed there's a little bit of, oh no, it's just oil, I think. I thought it was a mark in the chrome. Yeah, it would be nice if they did a full set. I like the slightly offset and the switch. But maybe they will one day do a full set of those. They probably won't be anywhere near £30. I would imagine they'd probably be I don't know actually. No, it's probably I'd reckon I'd pay £25 for a set of Parkside ones if they did them. So there you go. Parkside versus US Pro. What's your view? Are they probably most likely the same quality? What do you prefer? What have you used? Let me know in the comments below. If you like the videos, please like and subscribe. It's free and it will help to grow the channel so that I can do more tool reviews. See you on the next one.